Greetings and salutations, weirdos. Today we're going to do a little bibliomancy. I'm going to flip through 3 or 4 random haiku and haiku comics from the Anthropocene and read those and see how it goes. The wind paints the night bright with imagined battles. Only leaves are shed. All right, close the book. Oh, same page. Okay, here we have summer. I'm going to just turn the page and read the first one here. Sing an ocean hymn, mysterious, dark, and deep. Feel primeval pull. Maybe 2 more. Okay, let's see. Oh, got winter. This time we'll do the page before. How's that? Hoo, hoo, hoo. 3-syllable hoot. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Echoes through wooded hollow. Owl is sovereign. And the last one here. Some used to believe birds migrated to the moon and spent winter there. All right, that's all for today. I'm actually going to be going live here on Saturday for members of the Asynchronous Poetry Society. If that interests you, be sure to check it out. Be the weird you want to see in the world.